Ice cream, cakes for desserts is too cliche. Why don't you try Chef Gordon Ramsay's hot bananas recipe with me? Another option for the times you are tired of the cliches. Hot banana is a quick dessert fix, so you would only require sugar, bananas, chilies, butter, coconut milk. Heat sugar in a pan over medium heat. You only need to caramelize the sugar. While the sugar gets caramelized, dice the bananas into slices and toss the slices into caramelized sugar. To the bananas sizzling in the caramelized sugar, add a dollop of butter for a smooth touch. As the butter melts, add chilies and rum to the bananas. This would balance out the sweetness. To finish the flambe, add coconut milk to it. Enjoy your banana flambe as you serve it with a scoop of vanilla ice cream. You can try other options for your choice that go with the hot bananas and add a quick fix to the regular ice cream breakfast.